Hello, this is a video by the Neil Squire Society to show you how to navigate around our new Moodle course, specifically within a course and its resources. So right now I am signed into Moodle and have accessed our career development course. At the top of every course, you will see what we call our course dashboard. This dashboard shows you the different activities that you will go through as you work through that course. Each section of the course is represented by a badge and is broken into sections. So for example, the introduction section just has one badge, Introduction to Career Development. The assessment section has 4 sections. Now the number of badges you have may depend on your region and your assigned content. So if I want to enter, let's say the introduction section, I can click on this badge. There we go. Now it removes the rest of the dashboard and just shows that row of activities. And then underneath, you see the activities specific to the badge that you entered. So for example, the Introduction to Career Development has 7 resources. Now resources within your sections of your Moodle course may be a variety of things. There may be articles for you to read, videos for you to watch, assignments for you to complete, or quizzes or questionnaires for you to answer. Let's see how we work our way through these resources. I can click on any one to enter it. As I make my way through the resources, near the bottom, I have some controls. Let's take a look at these. This up arrow will take me back to the course dashboard. So if I want to leave this section of my course and go back to the main controls for my course, I can click this up arrow. And here we are back at our course dashboard. If I click this left arrow with the 2 bars, it will take me back to that specific part of the course. So for example, click this. I'm still in the Introduction to Career Development part, but not the whole course dashboard. So I still see these resources. Now the right arrow takes me to the next resource within this section. So here we go, I have another article. Now there's 4 buttons here. This left arrow takes me to the previous one. I don't have the left arrow here because there is nothing before this. Okay, so just to review these buttons, the up arrow will take me to the course dashboard, the main controls for the whole course. This left arrow will take me just to the section. This left arrow will take me to the previous resource, and this forward arrow will take me to the next resource. Now as you work through these resources, something happens on that section page. Let me show you. As I work through these resources, they become checked off. These are primarily checked off when you access and view the material. So it's easy for you to see where you've progressed within the course. Now when we check off all the resources, something happens to this badge up here. Let me show you. When I complete the final activity in this course, which is usually a questionnaire where you can provide your feedback and submit your questionnaire, you achieve the colored badge, the teal badge in the Neil Squire teal. Now, as you finish a section, it's usually good to check with your assigned facilitator to ensure that you completed the work to their standard. If I go back to the course main page now, you can see that this badge is colored in, and it makes it very clear where I'm to go next as I progress through my Moodle course. This concludes our video on navigating through a course in our new Moodle site. If you have any questions, please ask your assigned facilitator.